the doctor let me know that something did come out of me when it ain't supposed to come out.
What?
And I must try to not catch cold because
Meaning something went wrong?
Yes,
during the operation?
In the operation. And after that now, we take back ill. So then open the wound and then do the surgery. My belly begin to swell. It was awful. Promise God that if He carry me through this, I will worship Him for the rest of my life. And He did.
My Jamaican family, how you do? Awesome. Today, in this new Overcomer series, I meet up with Miss Winsome, a cancer survivor. Hers is a story, a powerful, inspirational story that's gonna touch your heart and inspire your soul. First though, if you have not yet a part of this family, my Jamaican family, I implore you to join us. I'm on a journey to showcase the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, people and stories like hers. I don't want you to miss any of that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you now to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Miss Winsome, hear her story. Alright guys, so here she is, Miss Winsome. How you doing?
Hi, hello, how you doing?
Awesome, lovely smile, not true guys? You have a beautiful smile. She's truly a conqueror, a survivor. And this is her little business place here, right, Miss?
Right here.
Yeah, man, this is her little business place here. What do you do again? Just a restaurant?
Just a little restaurant.
Yes, man. And we
every little goodies.
And we give God thanks for that. But we're gonna jump right into the story, Miss Winsome. Tell us a little about the journey, your diagnosis, and what happened.
After I've been seeing some things happening to me in my body, and realized that this is not real. What is happening? So when we go to the doctor, I explain to them and tell them what is going on with me. And not even realize nor thinking about any cancer nor not like that. But after I'm diagnosed, they send me go do the test and we diagnose, and they say, really it is cancer? So they send me to go do the test. And when we do the test now, I take ill after doing the test.
So you weren't ill before? You were ill before?
No, never feeling no pain or nothing.
So why did you go to the doctor first?
No, because of what is happening to my body.
Oh, your body, okay.
Yeah, but me never sick nor nothing, or say lie in a bed or have no shortcoming or anything. But we just realize something different is happening to me, and I say, no, this cannot be real.
Yes.
So I go to the doctor and I tell them, and they send me to go do the test. And when we go do the test and say, yes, it is. So after we do the test now, we find out that I can't walk. Same time, I have two close friends, Richie and Sister Allen. They take me to the hospital and they send me quite a Falmouth, where they admit me for a week and And afterward now, I do the surgery because they say it's colon cancer. Get 32 stitches.
32?
In my tummy.
So what kind of cancer was it?
Colon cancer.
Colon, okay.
So after that finish now, me in the hospital and I come out back, then do the surgery. Some of the time I never know what's going on with me. I have to have a saline. I put the one in your nose, push down. Have a saline, and the doctor let me know that something did come out of me when it ain't supposed to come out.
What?
And I must try to not catch cold because...
Meaning something went wrong?
Yes.
During the operation?
In the operation. And after that now, we take back ill. And they do back one next test, they realize that the cancer is still there. My next 32 stitches again, open back, we say the wound. After then open the wound, and then do the surgery, my belly begin to swell. Because they never left nowhere to let out the waste matter, the bloody water or anything. So they punch me side again, and next surgery like,
Mm.
and to put the tube in there. The 3.5 months it was there.
Mm.
When if it come out, it could hardly come out
Mm.
because the doctor have to pull hard on it to get it out. But
So the
to
tube was
God be
inside the
the
body.
glory, yes.
Wow.
It was inside,
How long?
and it was awful.
How long ago? How long ago we talking about?
We're
From
talking
beginning.
about 2018. The cut is, the big one is right here,
Uh-huh.
right down,
Oh.
32
Oh.
stitches.
Oh.
And then the punch inside
Mm-hmm.
here.
Mm. Oh.
You see this? You see the
Yes.
cut?
Yes. Yes. So twice you got it frontal,
Right.
and then
Doubles.
double cut the same place. You cut it two.
Yeah.
Wow. That's hard.
And I've been through there,
Yeah.
and I promise God that if He carry me through this,
Mm-hmm.
I will worship Him for the rest of my life. And
Yeah.
He did.
He did.
He brought me through,
Uh-huh.
and I'm a testimony.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a living testimony. My church people, them just see me through. They always there for me.
Mm-hmm.
My children are there for me. Everybody, they just round me because through me used to do the business.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of people know me, so they was just there for me,
Mm-hmm.
care for me,
Mm-hmm.
and everything. And to God be the glory.
Mm-hmm.
I've survived.
It would have been a seriously emotional time for you.
Yes.
I know you said you asked God to take you through.
Right.
What were some of the other challenges that you face, physical or emotional?
In my business, it break down bad. That's the whole 5 month rent. Couldn't pay.
So you had a business before as well?
Yeah, we used to run a bigger business.
What kind of business?
You said restaurant, but it was much bigger and in the town. And the rent back up. That's
because of your illness?
And my illness. So the gentleman said, you have to just pack up and leave and go home. And me never vex nor anything. I just say, God, that's how it goes. So He will turn me around and make something else start for me again. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. And you see, when you know God for yourself as a personal savior, you see it through. I just want people to know that God is real. He is real. He can see you through any deep waters you're going through. He can take you out. He can set you free from all illness. You just want to believe.
You would have been resilient and optimistic along the way. Is it basically because of your faith? Your faith, or there was other things that helped to hold it together?
It's the faith, man. The faith, because I trust God and I believe in God. Yes, man.
What lessons do you think you would have learned along the way? Event taught
Trust Him more.
Yeah.
Trust Him more. Have more confidence in Him. Yeah.
Did you have a support network of people?
Yeah, man. The church people and my family. They were here for me.
At this point, you're basically free from cancer now.
Yes, because they said there is no more.
There's nothing in there. Nothing. Okay. At what point did they, give you that okay that you're?
About a year ago.
A year ago. Okay. And at what point did you start your little business back here now?
About after the year finished, we just let me try a thing. Everybody else said, Winsome, mind you do too much. Mind you doing too much, you have to lift up weight. Maybe say a double surgery you do. And I learned something. I say, God will see me through, man.
And He's still seeing you through?
And he is.
And by the way, guys, this is her business here. This is her little business. You want to just move the curtain, Miss Winsome, so you can see a little bit about. This is a stove around the back there.
Yeah.
Her pans and pots and stuff. And boxes and so on.
Yes.
And her fridge there.
Right.
Has her little.
And my cooler here.
Yeah, cooler. Yeah. And you do all kind of stuff. What are some of the stuff that you do now?
We make wrap cake. We make fruit cake.
Original Jamaican.
Yes. We do potato pudding.
Yeah.
But I don't have any potato pudding.
And of course, the rice and peas and chicken.
Right.
Yeah. So I would love to get a customer here to find out how you're doing now. But the business now is yeah, I mean, that's your bread and butter now.
Right.
You're moving it and it's going well, I presume.
Yeah, sometimes it up, sometimes it down, but you know, you have to give God thanks.
What message do you have for somebody who might have been diagnosed with cancer or
any chronic disease,
or
illness,
or indeed somebody who is going through a tough time. A tough time.
Trust God, man. Trust God. Make it your first priority in life. Trust Him. Talk to Him. You can talk to God just like how I'm talking to you, and He will hear. And he make a way out of nowhere. That's one thing I know for sure. He will, and He always.
You remember when I came here the first time?
Yes.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna ask Miss Millicent, Miss Winsome, to tell you. So actually, I was passing through the area here, and I went to look. I think I went to sort out some herbs. I went in the bushes, in the hills, and we're coming back down. And I wanted some food, so I went to the other restaurant, and they were closed. So I said, let me check out this one here, and I came down here. You want to tell my viewers what happened? What did we?
When you come, you say you are hungry. You want something to eat. Me say you're at the right spot. I serve you and you eat and you did enjoy it.
There's one more thing you need to say though. Because when I came and I saw you, I said,
you're a survivor?
No, I said to you, you have a story. You remember?
Yes.
Remember
yes,
now?
That's so true.
Yes. And you show me.
Show him the area.
And
the cut and so on. And he said, wow, we're going to make a...
Yeah, man, we need to talk further.
We need to talk.
We need to share your story.
Share the story.
Yes, yes.
We are here today sharing the story.
Thank you so much, Miss Winsome.
Yes.
For sharing your story, and hopefully your story inspires somebody. So you actually got cut 3 times.
Yes.
Miss Winsome guys got cut 3 times because of the cancer, colon cancer. But here she is now, a living, breathing testimony. Yeah, man. That faith and trusting in God made a difference for her. Amen. And hopefully your story can inspire somebody. Right. And so I want to hear from you guys. Come, share with me, talk to her. Miss Winsome, thousands, hundreds of thousands of persons across the world potentially will be hearing your story, seeing you. If anybody is interested in reaching out to you for a word of encouragement or a word of inspiration, or perhaps, you know, maybe want to give you something. I don't know. Is there a way they can contact you?
326-7913 or 334-4747.
876, of course, in Jamaica.
Yes.
Awesome. All right, guys. And on a lighter note, guys, I want to... so you know Miss Winsome does everything here. She bake as well and cook, right, Miss Winsome?
Yes.
And she have a lovely cake here that we're going to show off a little bit. Take it out, man. Let me see. Show it. Take it out. So this is the one for not just display, but you're serving from this. You're serving.
Yes.
You're cutting up this one. And what kind of cake is this, Miss?
Fruit cake.
This is original Jamaican fruit cake.
Fruit cake, yeah.
Is the original Jamaican fruit cake? No rum in there. Rum in there? Wine in there. Okay. All right. So we're gonna buy some fruit cake, Miss I keep saying Miss Winsome.
Yes.
All right. So I think I like this piece. Is it cut already good, man?
Right.
Maybe that piece here. Looks good, not you guys. Looks good.
Tastes good too.
Nice. Yeah, man. And her food definitely tastes well. Definitely tastes well. It's a blessing. All right. Thank you again, my friend. Wow. That's it, my friend. The incredible story of Miss Winsome. It took 3 surgeries to overcome cancer. I want to hear from you. Drop it in the comment. But listen, if there's one video that you need to share, it's this one. Share it with somebody and inspire someone. Somebody needs it. Share it now. There's another video you need to see. The story of Mr. Barr. That's a gentleman with no hands, but he's running a thriving business. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.